Hey everybody, it's Bettina Biazzo here, and I'm here to tell you the incredible results that I got from our DX4, our 4-day body and mind reboot program. And let's face it, we all live in a very, very hectic world, so this is the perfect program to give your body a complete MOT as well as give it a complete reset. The products in the program are exceptional. We obviously have our signature product, which is our aloe vera drinking gel, our vegan plant-based protein powder, as well as our supplements. Before I did the program, I had brain fog, like lots of us do. I felt lethargic, tired, and this program gave me exactly what I was looking for in those 4 days. Reduced my sugar cravings, cleared my body of all my toxins, made me sleep better, boosted my energy, and more importantly, gave me clarity in my mind. So I highly, highly recommend the DX4.